The problems of Malawians will be resolved by Malawians, though they were caused by that government when they were in power. Today, it is not an introduction of 17.5%. It is an additional 1%. I want to make that clear. Nobody is introducing 17.5%. The tax is 16.5%, and out of what was stolen within the dogs, out of what was stolen through butcheries, out of what was stolen in so many things, the donors are not going to come and bail us out. We'll bail ourselves out. You may be interested to note that our GDP growth projections are about 2%. Around there. When the rapid population growth as it stands today is 2.8. What that means, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, is that every child born today, we are birthing poverty. Yes. We can't continue with that trajectory. No. Painful decisions have got to be made. Yes. And it is a government that loves its people that makes painful decisions. Yes. And I want to tell you that government is no any other than the DPP government. Yes. That is the very reason why today fertilizer by the ultra pure is being bought at 10,000 kwacha. It can't get better than what we're talking about. I therefore invite every Malawian out there to desist and refuse any political gimmick of thinking that somebody is standing with them when just yesterday it was killing them. Just yesterday Malawians were suffering the pains and they refused completely. That not them. Should they come today and pray holier than thou? No. Let's join hands as Malawians. Refusing a tax bill on a budget is as equal as refusing a budget. Because there is no budget without these taxes in Malawi. Malawians out there.
We can choose to be very good orators in this house. Orators like Mark Antony in Julius Caesar, to sugarcoat the 17.5% value-added tax. We can be scientific all we want, but it won't change anything. That the addition of 1% on 16.5 to make it 17.5 is killing Malawians. We are in this house, First Deputy Speaker, sir. We are very privileged. But think of a nurse down in Gumba area. Think of a nurse in Kanzimbi village. A teacher, HSA in area 23. A teacher in Zolozolo and in Zuzu. They are not getting anything. But instead of cushioning them, we are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir, adding pens to already misery that they are going through. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir. We are privileged enough as members of Parliament. We are getting salaries. On top of salaries, we are here getting fuel cards. Why can't we consider reducing our salaries for us to make savings that should be channeled to these people? Why can't we concede? Why can't we concede our fuel cards? Why can't we consider our fuel cards? We are here introducing punitive taxes.
For what?
We are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir. We are here, First Deputy Speaker, sir. Putting on punitive taxes on already poor people. But yet we are here crying for the fuel cards.
Yes.
What message are we sending?
Are we not mediocres?
Are we not ashamed of ourselves?
Yes.
Are we not greedy?
Yes.
Why do we complain then? Why do we complain then? When newspapers, when reporters say this is the house of greedy.
Yes. Why?
When we are adding 1% to already high taxes. Are we going to reduce our salaries?
Yes.
As a house, are we going to reduce our salaries so that we make savings? So that we make savings, First Deputy Speaker, sir.
consider
Are we going to accept the reduction of our salaries?
You have 5 minutes, my brother.
So that we make savings, the savings that should be channeled to the economy. We have HSS. We have HSS in Chididi, in Sanje, HSS in Kalulu, HSS in Chisamba. The vulnerable poor people are suffering. We want to continue making them to suffer because of our greedy. What kind of MPs are we?
With these remarks,
are we representing the people or we are representing ourselves?
Yes.
With these few remarks, First Deputy Speaker, sir, the question remains, are we representing the people or we are representing ourselves? With these few remarks,
I reject.
In the name of Jesus Christ.
I agree. I reject. I reject it.
In the name of Jesus Christ, sir. I beg Honorable Minister of Finance.
Thank you.
Yes, God bless.
Thank you.
I reject the bill.
Honour member, the chair has received your contribution, and possibly I will recommend, if you want to implement what you are proposing, please move a private member's bill towards the same, and this House will support you. Thank you very much. Member for Mwanza Central, you have the floor.